Lesson 12. I am going to do. 1. Intentions and decisions. We use going to when we have already decided to do something or intend to do it in the future. It shows a purpose or a plan that was made before the moment of speaking. Examples: I hear Sarah won the lottery. What is she going to do with the money? Or she is going to buy a new car. 2. Predicting the future. Evidence now. We also use going to when the current situation makes it clear what is about to happen. We can see the evidence right now. Clouds. Look at those black clouds. It's going to rain. Physical feelings. I feel terrible. I think I'm going to be sick. Physical actions. The man isn't looking where he's going. He's going to walk into the wall. 3. Comparison. I am doing versus I am going to do. While these two forms are often similar, there is a small difference in focus. Present continuous I am doing, used for arrangements that are already fixed with other people or a schedule. I'm leaving next week. I've booked my flight. Going to I am going to do, used for intentions or decisions. You might have arranged it or maybe not yet. Your shoes are dirty. Yes, I know. I am going to clean them. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!